A very good evening, everyone. I'm Sakshi Rora back with you at day 9. Time just flies by, and we are day 9 today. We are having Pinky Bajaj with us. Let's see who is she. As a child, if you have ever been shamed, abused, or raised in a toxic environment, if yes, those experiences may be affecting your life as an adult. From the tender ages of 0 to 7, we study our environments, forming a script that shape the rest of our lives. By age 7, we affirm that script. This is what Pinky Bajaj explained to me over an interesting call about her experiences as a therapist. She says as we grow, these scripts become tangled knots that hold us back. It separates us from our loved ones and causes friction and misunderstanding. Pinky Bajaj is a therapist who can help you heal and move forward with a better life. She has a master's in counseling psychology, diploma in integrated counseling expertise in transactional analysis and in rational emotive behavior therapy. Pinky herself suffered with anxiety for many years and had panic attacks that did not settle with medical treatment as well. She has now conquered her anxiety and is eager to help others suffering from anxiety too. She also specializes in couples therapy. She is a sex educator as well as advocates psychosexual awareness and self pleasure. She knows the deep impact that sexual abuse has on future relationships and helps women heal from sexual trauma. She conducts mental health workshops, mental health drives, and also one on one counseling sessions. Whether you're a parent, an adult struggling with the past trauma, or a child finding your way through life's challenges, she welcomes you with open arms. And today, PauseFest welcomes her with open arms on this platform.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the lovely introduction. Okay, to all the lovely members, a big welcome and a warm welcome. And yes, I mean, everybody is a woman out here. Anybody, men? I mean, please can we on the cameras? Can I have a look at everybody? Dr. Archana, Nisha, Neha. Okay, yeah, can we have the cameras on? And Urvashi. Oh, lovely, lovely. Yeah, the camera's getting on. Okay. Renu and who else is there? Okay. You guys are doing something different. So sure, keep your cameras off. But I love to see the cameras on. I don't know why people feel कि नहीं यार cameras बंद रखते हैं. Okay. A warm welcome to everybody. And yes, I'm so excited with this kind of session which we're having at Posy Fest, and Sakshi is doing a brilliant job of spreading awareness. And yes, let's talk about relationships. Now, relationships first with our own selves, and relationship with our spouses, relationship with our children, and somewhere it gets so many, like ye bhi toxic ho raha hai, ye bhi toxic ho raha hai. Like I was into 12 years of anxiety and panic attacks, and I felt my relationship with my husband is totally toxic. My relationship with my children is toxic. And I was like, मैं अच्छी माँ नहीं हूँ, अच्छी बीवी नहीं हूँ, तो मैं जी क्यों रही हूँ? Suicidal also. That deep anxiety and panic attacks. And that is where ये जो 0 to 7 की स्क्रिप्ट का मैंने बोला, as a therapist I really deal like this, कि हमने 0 to 7 years, 0 as in mother's womb to 7 years, we all have written a script. Now in 0 to 7 years बच्चा एक आई एम नॉट ओके स्टेज में होता है. सो वॉट एवर मुझे समाज ने सिखाया, सबने बोला, आई एम एट इमोशनल स्पंज. मैं सब कुछ जस्ट ग्रास्प कर लूंगा, एकदम स्पंज कर लूंगा. सो वट एवर आई विटनेस्ड माई पेरेंट्स डूइंग इट, वट एवर समाज ने मुझे सिखाया, जैसे लड़कियों को ऐसे उठना चाहिए, ऐसे बैठना चाहिए, बॉयज को ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. अगेन द नैरेटिव्स विच वी रिसीव फ्रॉम द एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, लाइक अगर बच्चे को बोल दिया गया तुम नालायक हो मैथ्स में, तो बच्चा विल बिलीव मैं नालायक हूँ. ओके. बॉलीवुड प्यार ऐसा होता है, प्यार वैसा होता है, running around the bush. We are living in a bubble, which I still have to break the bubble in the couple counseling session कि प्यार is the real reality. भाई तुम्हारा पति ऐसा है, we'll have to handle and learn to deal with it. Okay. So, and again, politics, religion, culture, हमारे धर्म ने बहुत हमारे अंदर होल्ड ऑन कराया कि तुम इतना पाठ करो, इतना ये करो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. बट आई हैव सीन पीपल इन 18 आवर्स ऑफ लूप भी पाठ पूजा करते हुए, एंड देन दे आर मेंटली हैरोड. एंड हाउ? ओके. सो दिस 0 to 7 years की स्क्रिप्ट ना हमने लिखी तो है, बट और इसको हमने बना लिया हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्ट्रेटेजी, जीने का तरीका यही है. वी अफर्म इट. कट टू कमिंग इन अडल्टहुड, whenever we face any uncertainty or adversity or challenges, we fall back to our 0 to 7 years of method, and we make that as a problem solving strategy, which is completely dysfunctional. वो कोई काम नहीं कर रही है, क्योंकि जमाना चेंज हो रहा है, सब कुछ चेंज हो रहा है. चेंज इज द ओनली कांस्टेंट. कोविड नहीं आया था, स्मार्टफोन्स नहीं थे, सब चीजें नहीं थी, सब कुछ चेंज हो गया. सो वील हैव टू अपग्रेड आवरसेल्व्स एज अ ह्यूमन, but we are stuck into the script. So we operate from 10% from a conscious mind, 90% we operate from a subconscious mind. So my subconscious mind has all the past experiences, all the past memories, and that is where we lie in the loop. मुझे ये कहना नहीं था, मैंने ये कह दिया. मुझे ये करना नहीं था, मैंने ये कर दिया. The person I love the most, I land up hurting the most. And that is where the differences are coming, and that is where we try to gauge, and psychologically I try to remove कि हमने ऐसा रिलेशनशिप में क्या बोला, कैसे किया और कैसे चीजें हो गई. ओके. नाउ वी ऑपरेट फ्रॉम 3 ego states: parent ego state, adult ego state, and child ego state. You all want to even make notes? Please make notes, because this is something very awesome. Now, parent ego state मतलब मेरे thoughts, feelings, behaviors and patterns are from my taught concepts. अब मेरे taught concepts हमेशा corrupted नहीं हो सकते, अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि हमें सिखाया गया होगा इनकम टैक्स भरना है, हमें सेविंग्स करनी चाहिए, हमें घर खरीदना चाहिए, ऑल गुड कॉन्सेप्ट्स आल्सो देयर. अगेन वही टॉट कॉन्सेप्ट्स में हमारे करप्टेड कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी आएंगे कि ऐसे उठना चाहिए, तुम इतना तैयार होके जा रही हो तो मतलब यू आर वेलकमिंग समवन टू डू सम थिंग्स ऑन यू. तुम ओवर ड्रेस हो रही हो, हु आर यू टू डू दिस? तो काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आप सोचने बैठ जाते हो कि ये तुम्हारी सोच है कि ये लोगों की सोच है. तो पेरेंट ईगो स्टेट इज माई टॉट कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो लोगों से उठाए गए हैं. ओके. अडल्ट ईगो स्टेट इज इन द प्रेजेंट, इन द हियर एंड नाउ, करंटली व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद मी. 5 मिनट पहले भी पास्ट था, अब बीइंग करंटली मैं इसको सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड में कैसे करूं. ओके. जैसे कि अगर बच्चा, हम बच्चे को दूध का ग्लास देते हैं और वो दूध का ग्लास गिर गया, तो हम उसको बोलते हैं तुम नालायक हो, तुम में अक्ल नहीं है, इतना सा काम नहीं कर सकते हो. हाउ वी बिहेव. सो इधर आई डैमेज बाय टैगिंग एंड लेबलिंग इट, एंड रूइनिंग द सिचुएशन, क्योंकि 5 मिनट पहले भी पास था, दूध तो गिर गया, साफ तो मुझे ही करना है. इधर आई ग्रिप एंड डू, और इधर आई एम हैप्पी एंड डूइंग. So my adult ego state consciously how I handle the situation. ठीक है. Either I do it very respectfully, I don't damage and tag and label him, and I say okay, let's play the music. Maybe मॉप लाती तुम भी मॉप लाते हो और हम दोनों करेंगे. But it requires a lot of consciousness. Okay, coming from my child ego state. Child ego states my thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and patterns coming from my felt concepts. Felt बोले तो all my I feel statements. I feel hurt. I feel not loved. I feel betrayed. I feel not loved. I feel not seen. कि मेरा पति मुझे देखता तक नहीं है. I feel I am not required. Like how I said, मैं अच्छी माँ नहीं बन पा रही हूँ, अच्छी बीवी नहीं बन पा रही. I don't feel like should living also. Right? I feel कि कोई मुझे प्यार नहीं करता. So my all I feel statements जो flare up हो जाती हैं. Okay? Now that is my inner child state. And then हमें कभी कभार लड़ना पड़ता है, loud होना पड़ता है. That is my wounded inner child state जो aggravated version दिखाती है कि कोई सुनता नहीं है मेरी, तो मैं rebel करके दिखाऊंगी. That is where my anger is cropping in. I don't know how to use it. Okay. So in my couple counseling sessions, 5 mirrors of, हम बोलेंगे एक मैरिज होते हैं. How we see. First thing is, how is your sexual intimate relationship? Because ऐसा होता है कि हमारी body, especially woman's body, goes through 4 different types of cycles in a month. But am I understanding what I needed? Do I know how to express it? Okay. Do I really know कि ये इस वक्त मेरी फिजिकल एंजाइटी है, इस वक्त मुझे लव चाहिए, या इस वक्त मुझे मेरे पीरियड्स के पेन आ रहे हैं तो मुझे वो कैरेसिंग चाहिए, या मुझे क्या चाहिए? ओके. अब देर आर गोइंग टू बी टाइम्स कि हम ना एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं कर पाते मुझे क्या बोलना है, स्पेशली औरतों के साथ. ओके. नाउ, first is sexual intimacy. How is your sexual intimate relationship? Please, you all can write even a word or a 2 word if you all want to write. Second is, how much is my emotional foreplay? Emotional foreplay मतलब सुबह से लेके शाम तक या all these days तक. How do we both address each other? इसने क्या पहना है? इसने क्या किया है? Even giving small gifts, small gestures. How do I see? Okay. So emotional foreplay doesn't mean कि हमें एक्चुअली उनका हाथ पकड़ना है या क्या कराना है. इमोशनली सेफ फील कराना है एक दूसरे को, इमोशनली सीन फील कराना है एक दूसरे को, इमोशनली अंडरस्टूड फील कराना है एक दूसरे को. ओके. नाउ माय थर्ड क्वेश्चन वुड बी, हाउ मच आर माय शेयर्ड वैल्यूज एंड एथिक्स? शायद मुझे कुछ और करना पसंद है, उसको कुछ और करना पसंद है, राइट? How much are we having that shared interest with each other? ठीक है. Okay. Now my next question would be कि how much हम वो conflict में आ जाते हैं, तो how much are we in a relationship, जैसे कि a relationship is about submission, conflict management कैसे करते हैं, both how we handle the disagreements to agreement, how much is my that compatibility with each other. Fifth one is my main one, wherein are our wealth goals aligned? ठीक है. Because most often क्या होता है, wealth goals aligned नहीं होते हैं, तो one is aspiring to do a lot of things and the woman says कि मुझे time नहीं मिलता. Maybe there is a time the woman is aspiring to do a lot of things and the man is craving for the, intimacy. So it's like, क्योंकि the woman is also maybe too extremely tired, उसे घर साफ रखना है, ये चीजें करनी है, उसे रिश्ते निभाने हैं. A woman plays multiple roles and is a multitasking woman. A man is also, he can do one task or 2 tasks, but a woman can multitask. That is also we fail to understand each other. वो एक काम करेगा, 2 काम करेगा, मैं थक गया. औरतें बहुत सारे काम करेगी, बर्नआउट पे आ जाएगी, बट उससे वो एक्सप्रेस करना नहीं आएगा, बट वो सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन या तो बच्चे पे उतारेगी या हस्बैंड पे उतारेगी. So we really need to understand that. Okay. Now, I want you all to, मैं सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन क्वेश्चंस बोलती हूँ, आप लोग के पास अपनी पेन एंड बुक है. प्लीज एड्रेस दिस टू योर सेल्फ कि आप लोग इन 2025 ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो मैं अपने बारे में, रिलेशनशिप टू माई सेल्फ, उसको लेट गो करना चाहती हूँ. It's maybe my anger, it's maybe my other things. Just try and understand. Give yourself 2 minutes and write that.
This is in particular relationship that you're talking, or it could be any.
To yourself. You are
Okay.
doing it to others or giving, maybe you're an overgiving person. You want to release that in 2025 because you want to set a boundary on it. Okay. Second question, where in my relationship do I say a yes when my body or emotions are saying no?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay. Where in my relationship Do I say a yes when my body or emotions are saying no? मतलब अंदर से तो मेरा बिल्कुल दिल नहीं कर रहा है, बट हमें हाँ बोलना पड़ता है। ऐसी कौन सी सिचुएशंस आ जाती हैं, मे बी, यू नो, जस्ट ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड एंड राइट दैट। Okay, next question. What do I fear might happen if I clearly express my needs? ऐसा क्या मुझे हो जाएगा अगर मैं क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस करना शुरू कर दूं तो? Okay, next question. In conflict, do I go silent? Do I over justify? Or do I over give to keep the peace? Okay. What behaviors repeatedly make me feel disrespected, unseen, or unsafe? Okay. When my boundary is crossed, do I address it or I minimize to avoid or discomfort?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay. When my boundary is crossed, do I address it or minimize or avoid to comfort?
Okay.
Okay. Do I discount or bargain myself? नहीं नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए बच्चों को ले दो नहीं नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए नहीं नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए do we do that? If yes, just write one or two times when I have. What patterns from my past have taught me that my needs are too much? ऐसे कोई पास्ट पैटर्न्स हैं जिसने मुझे बोला है कि अगर मैं ये बोलूंगी am I being too much? Anybody not understanding any questions, please ask. Huh? Okay. What would self-respect look like in this relationship?
Could you please repeat?
What would self-respect look like in this relationship? Okay. If I honored my needs without guilt, what would change? क्या change हो जाएगा? Okay. Am I setting boundaries to punish or to protect? Okay. Anybody over here would like to share? Because then we are going to go towards boundaries के बाद forgiveness. Anybody who wants to share? We don't want to share also okay, because that is the reason of self-reflection और मैंने आप लोग को ये लिखाया है. Yes, Nitya ji, I think you want to.
Yeah.
Please
So
do. Yes.
first one is I let go for myself is empathy. So most of the time I think about other situation and I do things. So empathy, I should control that. I have to
Okay.
put most of your questions are eye opener for me.
Okay. I'm glad. Okay. So
So
you are too empathetic and you keep other people at priority than yourself. Okay.
exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
So next one is emotion where I want to say no, and but I say most of the time dinner time I want to say I please order, but I'm pushed to make do the prepare the dinner, and I have to clean the same. So
Hmm.
I'm already exhausted, but nobody is ready to understand that the
Yeah.
1 or 2 days she needs some rest.
Yes.
So I'm just taking the basic examples. I'm not going
Yes. So
in.
right, right.
So
Those are
this
right because these are small things which are exploding into big. True. Yeah.
I want to enjoy somebody else's taste, but
Yeah.
everybody is. If it is a
Hmm.
brother-in-law is coming home, they are also coming from work. I am also coming from work, but there is an expectation that the mother, only the daughter-in-law, should do the dinner if she is
Yes.
going to the work or not. It doesn't matter.
True.
I am from a joint family. I am from
Yeah.
South India, so it is structured that daughter-in-law should do lot of things.
Hmm.
Expectation.
True, 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 true. So
So
true.
if I clearly share what will happen is misunderstandings. Suddenly she changed, selfish. Okay, how can she?
True.
Why? How can she talk? What? It's how can she? How? Why did she suddenly change? There will be so many things coming up. Okay,
True.
in conflict, overgive or over justify. Like
Hmm.
I have to over justify every time. I
Hmm.
have to to justify. They are not they if I many for the past years I have explained them, but still they are not ready to understand why Nitya is trying to say that.
Hmm.
Still, I have to give them the past expect the things, everything, and I have to justify why I did that and everything. So
Explanations. Okay.
every time,
Hmm.
so it's
Hmm.
there. Not that is one thing. So what behaviors unfeel like if I'm saying somebody to do some household chores, they are doing it, but I want them to understand myself and they want to volunteer and they want to help me up when I
Hmm.
want it.
Hmm.
Every time I don't want to go to people and ask for the help. If I'm asking them, they are ready to do, but I don't want that. They have to take some responsibility and they have to do that. I feel like I'm disrespected most of the time.
But do you think people are mind readers that they will understand you?
But
Right?
sometimes constantly when we are they have to at least understand us, right? One or
Yeah.
two times.
No, nobody is a mind reader. We'll have to say. But expressing is heavy on my heart because we as women have been trained to do that.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll work
Yeah.
on it.
Yeah. Nobody
So
is a mind reader. We'll have to tell.
okay, when my boundaries are crossed, I'm not speaking. I just leave this place.
Hmm.
I'm not justifying or I'm not doing. I'm just leaving the space when somebody else is crossing my boundaries. I'm not shouting. I'm not. I
Because you're
don't.
done.
Yes,
Hmm.
I don't want to explain. I have already did most of the explanation. Now I don't want to do.
Hmm.
Okay, do I discount my wishes? Yes,
Yes.
because if we want to travel some places, we are going with the children's mindset or their
Hmm.
choices.
Hmm.
Or if we want to go to a restaurant and we are asking for everybody's, but we take their things and we half kar do
Hmm.
uske half kar do, but we are not telling our choices.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, my needs are too much and there are any past barriers. For example, if we go to a place, we have to stay in relatives or somewhere. If we are staying in a hotel, it means like, oh, you want to stay here, why you're spending so much of money on hotel, and it is like a pattern that happens. So it for me, it is a pattern for me that we have to stay in a relative's house. It is if it is their wish or not, we cannot stay in a hotel, and we should not pay for that. It is a luxurious.
Hmm.
So
Oh my
you're spending.
God. This is
Yeah.
so true, So many of the women have been ingrained with this.
So you cannot go and have a you so पैसा है क्या इतना तुम्हारे पास वहां जाके you want to stay in a hotel, you can't stay here, can't you adjust
Hmm.
here? That was the
Hmm.
question.
Hmm.
What is self respect look in a I feel like cheap labor.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay.
What will change if I prefer my choices?
Hmm.
Hatred from everyone, and they will see me like she's a selfish.
It's so hard to be yourself, right?
Am I setting boundaries to protect or punish? I'm punishing myself to protect others.
True. I'm so glad you could come up to here. Is this helping me?
So all your questions are eye opener for me. I will work on it. But
Yeah.
thank you so much for the questions.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll tell you the biggest thing why women suppress and why boys can, even as sexually, I'll tell you. Okay, when a boy is a teenager, he learns to masturbate. If he learns to masturbate, he knows what is pleasure. And even masturbation releases your physical anxiety. Okay, now he's an entitled being because once he learns pleasure, he knows what he wants, what he doesn't want. He's very clear. Men are logical. They know what they want, they know what they don't want. They will talk in crisp and concise 5,000 words. A woman has been raised to be, I mean, I can say the most brutal truth, to be the best and perfect daughter in law. Okay. So she never invested in herself. She was never forced to. She had to adjust being according to her parents, sit appropriately, do things. समाज के हिसाब से उठना बैठना है. Then she's so invested in other people. Currently, see all our lives, we are invested in other people. Okay. पहले मैं एक बेटी बन रही हूँ. Then I have to be a sister. Then I have to be according to the समाज. I have उठना बैठना है. Then बीवी बहू and अच्छी माँ. So she got her first pleasure only with her man, with her husband. So she didn't know what are female orgasms and female pleasures. I have so many women and maids who come to me and I'll ask, how long is your foreplay? Because there are 32 pleasure points on a woman's body. A woman does not get her orgasms or her pleasure from a sexual penetration act. She gets it otherwise. So, how a man addresses her points and how he makes her feel stimulated, how well her body is lubricated before the act, and by clitoris caressing for 20 minutes, will the woman get her pleasures? So, my question is, कितना टाइम लगाया तुम्हारे हस्बैंड ने foreplay में? And they'll be like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I said, I'm so sorry, you didn't know what it's pleasure because you did not receive it. तुम्हारी बॉडी चीख चिकाट के कह रही है आई वॉन्ट दैट प्लेजर बट नो इट्स नॉट हैपेंड विद यू सो वुमेन व्हेन दे डोंट नो अबाउट देयर प्लेजर्स दे आर द सप्रेस्ड बीइंग्स सो इतने टाइम से वो सप्रेस्ड है तो इसके लिए एक्सप्रेस करना या अपने लिए कुछ मांगना इज वेरी दिस एंड गिल्ट एंड शेम तो औरतों को ना पिरोज के ऐसे खिलाया गया वी हैव इवन गल्प्ड इट डाउन दैट इज द रीजन वी एक्सपेक्ट ओ तुम्हें समझ जाना चाहिए मैं इतना काम कर रही हूँ the labor work is done by me and you can't see it because asking for yourself is shame. That is what even is being put to us, ingrained to us by the society, by our own parents, by certain people, by our own loved ones. Even asking for a woman. So the woman who knows about pleasure, who knows about her rights, who is opinionated, is like opinionated nari or suppressed nari. So the opinionated nari is also addressed as arrogance. Right? So the more arrogant, no, it can be the most respectful version also. But we don't know. Right? Anybody else would like to share? So we'll go on to another step now, the forgiveness. That is where I wanted to explain y'all how man and a woman address it. अभी वही औरत को बात करनी है ना, she will speak in 22,000 words, which the man could address it in 5,000 words. Because she doesn't know how to express herself. तभी हम लोग बोलते हैं, आदमी लोग बोलते हैं औरत को चाहिए क्या मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया बिकॉज औरत को बोलना भी नहीं आया मुझे क्या चाहिए. She can't even say I'm tired, I'm not feeling like cooking, I can't. Oh नहीं, ये तो तुम्हारा फर्ज है, तुम्हारी ड्यूटी है, तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा. But if a man is done, oh he's applauded. तुम थक गए होगे, तुम बैठो. हम वुमन, जबकि फिजिकल पावर यू कैन से तो आदमियों की ज्यादा होती है, बट एक्सपेक्ट वुमेन से ज्यादा कराया जाता है, राइट?
And yet there are
रिश्ते,
times, and yet, sorry, I intervene. Yet there are times that a woman doesn't understand a woman going through this.
women, exactly, women putting down women, a biggest concept, because I have suffered so much, so my daughter-in-law also should behave like this. तुम्हें काम करना चाहिए. So we impose those prejudices, those beliefs onto another woman. तो सास बहू के साथ, मदर डॉटर के साथ, but there are times right now which is changing where is women uplifting women. Like if Sakshi is doing this Posy Fest and she's giving the women the platform, she's also giving them the voice to speak up for themselves. And we really need to be that woman. We really need to understand. But hota kya hai? Like how she said, my mother-in-law. I'll tell you a case. I had a very interesting case where both the couples are, I mean, both the people in the couple are advocates. They're lawyers in a very high corporate firm. They're earning amazing. They live together. They come together. But the mother-in-law की condition थी रात को मेरी बहू बर्तन मांजेगी. She was like, I can earn so well कि मैं रात को 10,000 का नौकर रख लूं बर्तन मांजने के लिए. She was like, no, मेरी बहू बर्तन मांजेगी. Then it was like she put it up. मैं और आपका बेटा साथ में जाते हैं और साथ में आते हैं. और हम दोनों साथ में उतना ही कमा भी रहे हैं. He is also earning that much, I'm also earning that much. तो एक दिन मैं बर्तन मांजूंगी, एक दिन वो बर्तन मांजेगी. No, the mother-in-law is like, मेरी बहू बर्तन मांजेगी. चलो कट टू, हो गए दोनों सेपरेट, मदर इन लॉ अलग रहने लग गए, हस्बैंड वाइफ अलग रहने लगे. बट इसका रेपकर्शन ये हुआ दैट द मैन स्टॉप्ड स्लीपिंग अराउंड विद हिज वाइफ बिकॉज ही इज डीपली इनसाइड हर्ट कि मेरी मॉम की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं की गई. So the traumas, the psychologically how it works, because in his childhood he had seen उसके डैड डेप्स में चले गए थे और उसकी मॉम ने सिंगल हैंडेडली पूरा घर संभाला. So he was very close to his mother. He had high respects. And he was like, मेरी माँ दिन बोले तो दिन, रात बोले तो रात. So, but the woman is like, sorry, it doesn't work like this. But imagine that woman is going through her trauma. That one trauma can actually ruin around everybody. She was like, if he doesn't want to get sexually with me, what is the issue? The woman came up like. And the man was carrying such, deep rooted hurts that psychologically needs to be treated. Because he had high regards for his mother, that she was not wrong. But it was hampering both the relationship. So men also go through a lot by, handling the relationship. And sexually, he couldn't be involved with his wife. So yes, we go through a lot. We're punishing ourselves. Women even go into sexual withdrawal. सबसे पहले husband के साथ झगड़ा होता है, don't touch me. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरे पति को वो पसंद है, तो सबसे पहले मैं उसको उससे स्टाफ करूंगी. A woman is emotionally centric. A man is touch centric. A woman will make love with a man whom she's well bonded and well connected with. But a man will make love only when he's well touched. So he'll emotionally invest later. First, he wants love. So I have to explain that concept, and psychologically वो उसका parental blueprint अलग है, इसका parental blueprint अलग है, जो मुझे match करना पड़ेगा. So we say ना, शादियां, marriages are made in heaven. Sorry, it's a perfect trauma bonding. So current scenario is there are dead marriages, there are marriages coming to me for couple counseling जहाँ 10 साल हो गए sex भी नहीं किए. Sexless marriages, all about logistics. ये काम हुआ, ये काम हुआ, ये काम हुआ, ये काम हुआ, which I need to revive. And I am really reviving that. Even domestic violence cases also. So first we have to understand the trauma bonding, the parental blueprint we are carrying. And how the trauma bonding is affecting and impacting, because हमारा 0 to 7 हमसे वो situations वापस relive करा रहा है. Okay? Now I'll also give you a little more your कि 0 to 7 में अगेन लाइफ इज अ फुल सर्कल. हम क्यों बोलते हैं? अगर मैंने बचपन में किल्लत देखी है, स्कैसिटी देखी है, सब कुछ देखा है, तो अब मैं वो किल्लत को दोबारा इनवाइट कर रही हूँ अपनी लाइफ में बार बार. Like we all have our sexual hungers. There is a kind of an hunger which is an incident hunger. जो लोग बिग बॉस देखते हैं, क्राइम पेट्रोल देखते हैं, ड्रामास देखते हैं, सो मुझे अगर मेरा ड्रामा मेरी लाइफ में सेटिस्फैक्टरी नहीं मिल रहा है, मैं वो ड्रामा क्रिएट करने लग जाऊंगी कि वो चीजें मैं मैनिफेस्ट करूं जो मेरे बचपन से, बिकॉज माई 0 to 7 इज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज 90% वे ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम. सो आई रियली नीड टू एक्टिवेट द अडल्ट इको स्टेट सो पावरफुली कि मैं अपने पेरेंट और चाइल्ड से वुंडेड एरिया से नहीं चलूं. आई नीड टू टेम द इनर चैटर. ओके, बिकॉज वुंडेड होने के बाद मैं ही अपनी घर की सिचुएशन खराब कर रही हूँ, विच वी डोंट रियलाइज. So there are a lot of eye-opening sessions in our couple counseling sessions, and they're like, "Oh damn, मैंने ही खराब कर दिया because मेरी स्क्रिप्ट वो बोल रही है." तो मैंने अगर वो स्कैसिटी देखी है तो मैं इनवाइट करके रहूंगी. मैं रिलेशनशिप में टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में फंसी हूँ बिकॉज आई पुश द राइट पीपल अवे एंड आई इनवाइट द टॉक्सिक पीपल बिकॉज आई कैन फिक्स हिम, आई कैन डू दिस थिंग्स, क्योंकि मैंने ये बचपन में देखा तो हो जाएगा. तो मैं वो केयर टेकर बन गई हूँ, मैं वो ओवर गिवर बन गई हूँ, मैं वो चीजें कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे तो आदत है. मुझे बाउंड्रीज डालना गिल्ट लग रहा है, पनिशमेंट कर रही हूँ मैं अपने साथ. It's a matter of self-respect, but I don't know how to respect myself. I don't know how to even feel worthy. A woman is made feel worthy only when she's overgiving. तुम अच्छे बच्चे, the good girl syndrome. Okay, we have 15 minutes. Okay, now another self-reflectory questions, which I wanted to go in for self-forgiveness. Where am I still blaming myself for staying too long or trusting too deeply? Okay. What would I say to a friend who went through what I did? अगर मेरी फ्रेंड ये एडवाइस के लिए आती तो मैं उसको क्या एडवाइस देती? सेम सिनेरियो ऑफ माइन. Can I forgive myself knowing what I know now? Can I forgive myself for not knowing then what I know now? What lesson Did this experience of life teach me about my needs and worth? Whatever experiences I'm going through, what have they taught me about my needs and my worth? How can I offer compassion to the version of me who was just trying to be loved? Does this person show accountability or only expectation of forgiveness? What does emotional closure look like if reconciliation is not possible? Now, one last question. What would change in my relationships if I choose self respect over self sacrifice? Okay. Would anybody like to share?
Yes, Nisha ma'am. Would you like to share, Nisha ma'am? She needs to unmute herself. Anyone else? Yes, Dr. Archana.
At what expense? Uh, I said that nobody taught me how to express my needs. Then, how can I offer compassion? So, it is easy for me because it's myself. Mm, and the other person is showing responsibility, accountability, and then is also asking for forgiveness.
Mm.
What would change if I choose self respect? I feel nothing much will change, but relationship can improve. But I will feel myself worthy.
Okay, nice. Okay. Anybody else?
So I can say probably forgiveness, yes. I would forgive myself 100% because if I'm working or functioning from a space where I did not know things,
Hmm.
I can't blame myself to,
Hmm.
not being that. So
Hmm.
definitely, because if today we do forgive so many other people in their lives, so why not ourselves? Point one. Second, validation. I feel that I do not need any validation from anyone today. At least
Hmm.
today, I would say. I'm not saying about the past because by time as we've grown,
Hmm.
I don't think I need any validation from anybody for who I am.
Hmm.
How? By loving myself, by feeling proud of who I was at one point of time
Yeah.
to where I am today, this whole journey, and I am accountable for who I am. I'm
Hmm.
accountable to forgive myself. I am not expecting any forgiveness, any gratitude from anybody. This is
Hmm.
my journey. I am doing my responsibilities. I'm doing my duties to as far as possible that I can do.
Hmm.
And in the present moment, I don't seek forgiveness from anybody. Yes, if I
Okay.
feel I have done wrong, my heart knows, and I am willing to say sorry for that. But not for
Hmm.
something in a begging or a, कि नहीं मेरे से कुछ हो गया है ये हो गया है. No, there is a way to communicate. I have communicated. If not, then it's not my problem. It's something that they need to deal with.
Hmm.
And reconciliation, I feel it's a complete emotional detachment for me. The
Okay.
person may be around me, staying
Hmm.
with me 24 hours, but loses that attachment level from me for
Hmm.
sure. And
Hmm.
that doesn't change my roles towards them, doesn't change my responsibilities, but yet there is a complete detachment.
Hmm.
It could be slow and steady. I'm not saying it because, again, detachment has its own layers,
Yeah.
which keep going day by day. And lastly, self-respect. I feel at the initial stage, the other person may lose respect in our eyes for
Okay.
when I choose self-respect for me. Slowly and gradually, what I have learned over the past years is that I have started shifting it to gratitude because they have
Hmm.
been in a pattern
Yeah.
which put me in this situation to become, grow, come out from where I was, and be true to myself. So, yes,
Hmm.
at that moment, we do not realize that it is for our good.
Yeah.
But yes, these things have been in my daily gratitude note for sure for those people who really, really put me in such situations. And I say thank you so that I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah. You unlocked your best potential. You never
Yeah.
knew you would have been this one. Imagine.
Yes. I would have never.
True. And that's beautiful. And
Yeah.
then it's like, you're showing a lot of self compassion to yourself, first of all. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else? So, yes, we can end the session right now.
So I think we had a query, I
Hmm.
think that members there or no, that if there is an anger in the relationship, if a
Hmm.
person is continuously showing anger,
Hmm.
realizing or
Hmm.
maybe not realizing and saying sorry. It could
Hmm.
be either ways because when it is with realization, I think people do reduce it over time. But
Hmm.
if it is repetitively happening, how does a partner or a spouse or any family
Hmm.
member deal with such
Hmm. Hmm.
situation?
Okay, anger again. I vouch very high for emotions. I do a lot of decoding of emotion. Anger is a beautiful emotion, but how we express it and how we use it constructively is very important. Again, anger is coming from a learned pattern of my parental pattern. जैसे कि एंगर में हम बहुत गंदे तरीके से कपल्स में एक दूसरे को पुट डाउन कर देते हैं एंड एक दूसरे को पुट डाउन की बजाय भी हम उनके पेरेंट्स को भी ले आते हैं, तुम्हारे माँ बाप ने ये नहीं सिखाया, ये नहीं, वन अप वन डाउन गेम खेल रहे हैं. Rather, can we ask, okay, how can I fix this relationship? Rather, can we ask, okay, what of my behavior makes you feel more loved? I will do that more. Instead of fixing it, we spoil it, and the payoff is hurt. ना वो बंदा अगर बार बार एंग्री बोल रहा है और बार बार सॉरी भी बोल रहा है, but not changing the behavior, that is where we address the man. His words and actions need to match, which is not matching. अभी एंगर कहाँ से आ रहा है? जब मुझे मेरी कोई फेवरेट चीज करनी थी, मुझे रोक दिया गया, तो वो एंगर का जो है ना, वो अंदर भरा हुआ है, इंटरनलाइज्ड है, और वो भर गया है, तो अभी वो लावा फटता है. तो वो एंगर बार बार आ रहा है, बार बार, इज माई इनर चाइल्ड ईगो स्टेट विच इज वेरी वुंडेड, विच नीड्स टू बी एड्रेस्ड. ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? पर हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में इतना वॉल ऑफ जजमेंट आ गया ना कि जब हम एक दूसरे को बात समझाने जाएंगे तो समझ नहीं आएगी. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. दैट इज वेयर वी प्ले थेरेपिस्ट हु विल साइकोलॉजिकली एक्सप्लेन यू वेयर इज दिस कमिंग फ्रॉम एंड वेयर इज इट नॉट. वी जस्ट आस्क सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस एंड लाइक, अच्छा सेम सिनेरियो आप अभी लाइफ में कर रहे हो वापस. ही वाज लाइक, हाउ इज इट? आई सेड, या, बिकॉज वो बिटर एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन मुझे किसी और से मिली, तो वो बिटर एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन मैं अपने माँ बाप पे उतार रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी वाइफ पे उतार रहा हूँ. अगेन, जैसे कि हम स्ट्रेस में आते हैं, हमारे पीरियड्स पे इफेक्ट होता है, वैसे ही आदमी को एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रेसेस होते हैं, उसकी से लिबिडो पे इफेक्ट होता है. अब उसकी भी सेक्सुअल क्रेविंग्स हैं, बट ही कांट हिमसेल्फ एड्रेस इट. एंड ही हिमसेल्फ, 50% ऑफ द मेल्स इन द कंट्री आर गोइंग थ्रू ईडी, दैट इज इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन. तो उनको उनके प्लेजर्स नहीं मिल रहे, तो उसकी भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन है. एंगर इज लाइक एन आइसबर्ग, ऊपर दिख रहा है बट अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें, किसकी वजह से, किसकी वजह से. तो उसको भी कोई गिल्ट है, कोई शेम है, ही कांट परफॉर्म, परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बट उसको एक्सप्रेस करना नहीं आया, तो वो भी डैमेज हो जाता है. एंड देन ओवर अपोलोजेटिक बिकॉज आई लव दिस रिलेशनशिप, दैट इज व्हाट, मुझे ये कहना नहीं था, मैंने ये कह दिया, मुझे ये करना नहीं था, मैंने कर दिया. द पर्सन आई लव द मोस्ट एंड आई एम हर्टिंग द मोस्ट. दैट इज वेर यू हैव टू एड्रेस कि इशू आज से कहाँ से रहा है. मोर द अवेयरनेस ऑफ माई पास्ट पैटर्न्स, more it just fades away.
So when we
Okay.
talk about counseling, when we speak about therapy, it's very still okay. Like we are still in that society where therapy, counseling sometimes is taken as a taboo. हम बीमार है क्या? हमारा दिमाग खराब है क्या? First thing. So at least we've seen an openness where people have started at least taking their children. कि चलो
Hmm.
जरूरत है तो. But when it comes in a relationship,
Hmm.
especially, see because ज्यादा नीड कब पड़ती है जब हम एक लेवल ऑफ एज क्रॉस कर लेते हैं, जब हमारे बच्चे एक्चुअली, बट वही हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. हमें लगता है कि न्यूली मैरिड कपल्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, चलो थेरेपी के लिए गए. बट
Hmm.
especially when you're reaching the age of 50, when you actually sacrifice so much for your life,
Yeah. Yeah.
or for that matter, we feel we have sacrificed, the family is not even seen one bit of it. That's a different
Hmm.
story.
Hmm.
But how do you bring it up? Because now, see, in this scenario, if he is repeatedly saying sorry, उसके लिए वो मैटर खत्म हो गया ना. मैंने गुस्सा किया, मैंने सॉरी बोला, मैटर खत्म.
Like even I gave the corporate lawyer ka example. The first thing which we need to teach men in today's society that who is going to stay for life is your wife, not even your parents, not even your children. So that is the relationship जो तुम कह रहे हो ना, मैंने बीवी बच्चों के लिए कमाया किया, but तुम्हें उसको वो relationship ही रखना नहीं आया. So it happened at the cost of that. सो वेर इन वी हैव टू इनग्रेन कि कोई साथ में नहीं रहने वाला, वो वाइफ रहने वाली है. और वहीं पे रिस्पेक्ट अगर लूज हो गई तो गया. 30% इज लव, 70% इज हाउ यू मैनेज. बट इफ दैट मैन or the woman is not trained, because even the woman goes the victimizing spiral. So again, the I believe that sexual intimacy कहाँ है? Again, वो penetration act की जरूरत नहीं है. Normal भी intimacy से भी हम revive कर सकते हैं. But do we start? I will get, oh no, ये मैकेनिकल लग रहा है, ये नहीं कर रहा है, ये चीजें आपने बोली है इसलिए कर रहा है. ऐसे लेट ओपन हम सेक्सुअल विड्रॉल में चली जाती है. वी आर नॉट इवन रेडी टू टेक दैट टच. आई हैव 60-year-old कपल. नो नो, ये मेरे पीछे से हाथ रख रहा है, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. हम रहे उसी के साथ रहे अंडर द सेम रूफ, बट द वॉल ऑफ जजमेंट इज सो हाई which we need to treat. So yeah, we are not giving that open bandwidth. We are not ready to forgive. We are holding on to the past. So that's why I said 5 मिनट पहले भी पास था. मैं आपका अंडू नहीं कर सकती. बट कहाँ कहाँ से साइकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज आते हैं, वो हम उसको मेल्ट डाउन कर सकते हैं. We need to be the softer and the calmer version, and the, with a lot of compassion, we have to deal with these issues. Okay, let's wind up the session. Okay. Yes, Sridhar. Thank you everyone for inviting
Thank
me.
you. If you have any
Just a
queries, you
minute,
can
Yes,
just
yes.
1 minute. I'm really grateful. Lot of things, like so much to work upon. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yes. And
Thank
I'm
you.
glad.
Thank
We
you for
could
this.
do this. Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much, Pinky. As
Thank
usual,
you.
second time again in Persephone. She's been there previously as well, and she's a big
Sure, sure.
supporter of us. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you,
Thank you.
Nitya ma'am. Thank you, Archana
Thank
ma'am.
you.
We'll
Thank
see you all
you.
tomorrow again, same
Bye.
time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye.